So what's popping, guys? Welcome back in another video. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you some of the top gaming NFT projects. You can see some of these NFTs are 10 to 20 to even 30% up. Also, Ethereum NFTs are doing really well as well, like for example Bored Apes, Mutants, CryptoPunks, Podgies. All of these NFTs collections went up, and one of these main reasons I think is because of the hyper liquid airdrop. So this brought a ton of capital, a ton of liquidity injection to NFT markets because people felt rich again and they can start pouring money into these risky assets. And the another catalyst that is coming soon in a couple of days is Magic Eden airdrop. So this might bring a ton of capital to NFT market as well. People are gonna start buying NFTs and hopefully they're gonna pump our bucks. So you can see the checker is going to be live on the December 4th, and you're gonna see the Me token allocation via checker. So you're gonna have some time to link all of your wallets to see your full allocation, and the TGE day is going to be on the December 10th. So just make sure you guys connect all of your wallets before the TGE, because otherwise you're not gonna claim your tokens. So now let's jump into some of these NFTs that are coming soon, and they are pretty hyped. So one of these I'm pretty excited for is On-Chain Heroes. Unfortunately, we didn't get a whitelist for this, but I think I'm going to still watch it on the secondary market to see how this is going to perform. This collection is going to be on the Abstract chain, which is not out yet. They have only the testnet. I think you can only sign up. I made a video on this on my channel, so you can guys check it out. And I'm pretty excited to see how this is going to perform. A ton of people speculate that this is going to be sort of a wolf game on Abstract chain. And apparently, maybe at some point, Abstract chain will going to have an airdrop as well. So right now, the referral program is officially concluded. So if you guys like the project, you can follow them on Twitter. And when they're gonna be minting out, you can scoop one of these on this from the secondary market and play the game, and maybe you can earn some rewards. Another one I want to talk about today is Infinity Gods. So this is the mobile gaming studio, and they are backed by Pantera Capital. They got $16 million raised, and they are going to be minting soon. The mint price is going to be 0.0777 ETH. You can see the supply, and you're gonna be staking your NFT to get the gold rewards. And Kobe made really interesting tweet on Infinity Gods and how this is going to work. You can see who is also on the council, so pretty solid names like Seedphrase, Crimo or Grail. And you can scroll down below, you can see the total supply. You can also see how much the staking pool is going to be, so 9.5% of the total supply. And down below we can see how much this is going to be worth the average rewards per vault over 24 months. So this is the long-term investment if you want to play this game. So if you're gonna stake the NFT, the reward per vault is going to be almost $1,000 at 50% staking, and dropping to almost 500 at 100% staking. So that's the stats for the 50 million FDV. For $200 million fully diluted value, you have different. For 200 million FDV, you're gonna be earning significantly more, and for 500 also. And at the bottom, if you wanna take this one step further, you can see that he's saying about the Infinity Passes and Infinity God ecosystem NFTs. So you can pick some of them up. So they have also the collections on Blur. So Infinity Gods community passes, they're probably going to give you more rewards. So if you guys like the project, follow them on Twitter, and I'm gonna be personally minting my NFT. Another gaming NFT project is Play Memoria. So this is going to be a gaming and memes project, and they're going to be powered by Memo token. They also have a pre-mint raffle, so you can go ahead and you can sign up for the raffle. And if you're gonna go to the official website, you need to connect your Twitter, connect your Discord, do simple missions like retweets, follows, and etc. So you'll need to get the access code, and that's basically will give you the whitelist. And you can read more about the lore and how this is going to work. So really interesting to see that a ton of these NFT projects, they're going to have tokens, because as you know, Solana is doing extremely well, and right now everything is tokenized. So pretty much all of different projects, they reach multiple tens, even hundreds of millions of dollars in a market cap. And some of these projects that have these strong fundamentals, they're definitely going to perform well. And last but not least, I want to talk about Zverse. So they're going to have the Land collection, which is going to be minted on December 17th. And they are backed and partnered with Neo Tokyo, Treasure DAO, or Superverse. So you can go ahead to the website and you can watch the video, you can sign up, and you can play the game. And if you're going to scroll down below, you can see some of the sneak peeks, which they look really cool in my opinion. And if you're gonna scroll down, you can see some footage from the game, how it looks like. So you can complete some Zverse tasks, like for example, mint soul shards, catch a fish, cook a fish, etc. So that's basically what you have to do in this game. Based on that, you can claim your rewards, and that's pretty much it. So pretty cool in my opinion. We have more and more play to earn games. So there's going to be 2,000 land loots to mint, and the mint price is still to be announced. So if you guys enjoy the project and if you like it, drop down a follow and don't miss out the mint date. So that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. If you enjoyed this, follow me on Twitter, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.